Good day, my name is Fritzie together with my partner Ivren, and today we'll be presenting our store design for the LUSH Fresh Handmade Cosmetic brand. Let's begin. LUSH is a cosmetic brand that was established by Mo Constantine along with other co-founders that advertises revolutionary handmade, fresh and cruelty-free cosmetics in the industry, serving and bringing the perfect bath and spa experience at home to its users, as well as promoting transformative self-care, ethical campaigns, and environmentally friendly practices through their uniquely crafted products. Lush initially began as a small mail-order company named Cosmetics to Go. During this time, they have been experimenting and developing unique items. Their famous bath bombs and massage bars are a few to name. Their constant belief in innovating environment-friendly and cruelty-free products has led them to this day.
These are the set of values that Lush follow to showcase that businesses should be ethical and fair in all aspects at all times, promoting honesty in products and transparency to its consumers, engaging in various innovation to make the best products that satisfies their customers and encourages the best environmental practices. When it comes to their products, Lush is highly invested in using natural ingredients only, which are directly sourced from trusted suppliers or from farmers themselves. This is to guarantee that they get the freshest and safest ingredients in making their products. Because aside from making sure that their products will give the best effects and results to their customers, they also wanted to encourage and lessen their impact on the environment by making responsible decisions regarding from whom and how they purchase ingredients.
Lush also elaborated the responsibility on the impact of packaging to the environment. With that, Lush was able to achieve 65% of their products naked. The rest are in recyclable containers, and one of those is the post-consumer plastic. The Take Back Pot program is where the return pots undergo a closed recycling loop. Shopping bags are also ensured to be made of 100% recyclable material, as well as the subscription boxes contained with dissolvable vegetable-based packing peanuts. Lastly is their nut wrap furoshiki, which is based on the Japanese tradition. These are also made from 100% organic cotton or plastic woven fabric.
Hence, for this project, we wanted to make something that would best promote the brand's products and values, designing a store that offers excitement and the best in-store experience by unveiling what is the story behind every squeeze, combination, extraction, and every movement of hand that molds each product that gives you the best bath and spa experience at the very comfort of your home. So for our store location, it is located near another entrance of the mall and it has an area of 190.97 square meters. Next, we have the massing and internal spaces of the store, wherein we slowly divided the whole unit into 5 blocks or 5 sections and allocated to each interior space that we needed, slowly creating the circulation that we want to happen in store. Moving on to the unit's floor plan. So once the customer enter the store, they will be welcomed by the display area of the shop. The products are uniquely displayed, similar to buffet, but it's a bad product. But where freshly made products are displayed for the consumer to feast on. And to better satisfy their curiosity about the brand and their product, consumers will have the chance to witness how each product is made through the open kitchen and bar of the store. Or for a better experience, they can also make their own product in the DIY station, giving them the chance to experience molding and crafting their own bath products. And we will be discussing and elaborating these areas on the succeeding slides.
For the partial walls of the store, we were deeply motivated with the positive values of Lush on materiality, which led us to create a cladding with a combination of glass panel and packing peanuts. What makes it interesting is that the glass is made of colored glass, which is the waste glass converted to a new panel of glass. This is the so-called glass recycling. The packing peanuts of Lush also makes it ideal to create a texture behind the glass panel.
So for the store's floor material, in line with Lush's mission to incorporate store features and products that promote environmentally friendly practices, this type of hard-wearing flooring or floor coverings is made from old automobile tires. It has great durability, slip resistance, noise reduction, and ease of maintenance.
The ceiling of the store was designed using one of the brand's packaging called pots, which is made of 100% post-consumer plastic. It is attached to a string made of coconut fibers that are hooked up to the structural floor above. It generates an organic motion similar to that of ocean waves in order to remind users of the impact of plastics on the marine ecosystem. The partition is used to section the DIY area and the display sections. It is arc-shaped to avoid too many sharp angles in the space. The LUSH nut wraps are also displayed to make it even more eye-catching. Furthermore, the partition is not just what it is, because these platforms are nut wrap soap bars that are placed at the notch of the reclaimed wood stand. The plant potted in LUSH pots are also included to act as a finishing touch for this partition. Upon entering the store, the customers will welcome by a large table composed of various LUSH products that they can feast on. Naked products such as bubble bars, solid shampoos, soaps, shower gels, and more.
Next, we have the smoothie section. So this section was created to showcase Lush's creativity when it comes to displaying their products. Hence, we thought of making a smoothie section to exhibit the brand scrub as if they were actual smoothies, placing them in metal bowls with ice underneath rather than being sealed in pots to display each product in its natural setting while also maintaining its freshness, giving the customers a hint of what's behind the product on display. Furthermore, the station includes cabinets that you can open. It is located directly below the bowls where customers can discover more about the ingredients. So the store will have two different settings to display their bathroom. So first we have a display stand that has a side layer rack wherein bath bombs will be displayed individually in different platforms, and then the rest of the particular bath bomb will be stored and wrapped in furoshiki fabric to create these bags that will be tied up in the middle portion of the stand. Next, we also have this modulated bath bomb organizer that has a rhythmic pattern of voids and hollow areas that was patched with furoshiki fabric, creating some sort of a basket that will serve as a storage for the bath bombs. And each organizer will have at least two bath bomb baskets and a small platform at the top beside the upper basket that will serve as a table to display a particular bath bomb. So next we have the perfume display stand of the store. So this display stand features a series of rope hangers, compartment, and fabrics to segregate and display each perfume. This allows the customers to differentiate each product through the use of different textiles, which will also serve as the side panels of the display stand.
The DIY area allows customers to mold their own LUSH products, giving them the direct experience of how each product is made and crafted by hand, offering them with the opportunity to appreciate and learn more about the products that provide relaxation during their bath time. Of course, as LUSH seeks for sustainability of the environment, we also incorporated this onto the material for the countertop, which is derived from LUSH pots. The Gradient of Life is an installation designed to strengthen LUSH agenda of building connections and providing an in-depth store experience by creating a deeper connection with their customers. This installation allows customers to really share their life goals by using colored sand to represent a specific goal that they want to achieve, while the containers represent their level of confidence in achieving that specific goal. The store's open kitchen and bar area allows customers to see firsthand of how each LUSH product is created, from raw materials to the finished product. Customers could either sit on the stool bar or stand back and observe how the workers created each LUSH product. Furthermore, the addition of an in-store kitchen not only ensures the freshness of each product, but also allows the store to make their own product rather than waiting for it to be delivered from the company's factory.
So the cashier's counter was designed with lush pots that exhibits the same pattern similar to a honeycomb, wherein majority of the lush pots that will be used will be displayed with their lids on, but a few will be left open to create small pockets that the store can use to display smaller lush products such as lip balm, lip tint, and lip scrub.
Moving on, glass blocks are also placed at the storefront for its texture of not fully seeing through. This will make the walking by people be curious of what's behind the glass and make them discover it furthermore by stepping into the store. The material is highly durable and low maintenance, and it can be produced from recycled materials, which makes it 100% and infinitely recyclable. It is also often used in LEED certified structures in the United States.
So the shop's facade is clad with a series of wood paneling and several glass blocks, which simultaneously expose and disguise the DIY area and the waves of pots behind it, stimulating curiosity or interest about what is only visible through the massive glass wall from the outside. Moreover, it also has this accordion door made of steel and plated fabric made from recycled plastics.
Unboxing Lush like furoshiki, where every layer is organic, cruelty-free, and interesting, much as like where every layer resembles a component of the store. As they enter the store, they will notice the display section as well as the packing peanuts wall cladding. The partition also allows them to take a look into the DIY area. Looking up, the beauty of the ceiling of waves will also be perceived with their eyes. Take a few steps, then they will notice the bath bomb baskets and the perfume hang section. At their left-hand side, they will also be able to sit down and observe the handmaking of Lush workers in the kitchen, as well as the DIY area where they can handmake their own Lush items. They may also share their life goals in the gradient of life installation. After picking up some Lush items, they can proceed to check out on the cashier table that is filled with small Lush items displayed in the Lush pots. That marks the end of our presentation, and we hope that you find our Lush Store design experience interesting, leaving the world lusher than we found it. Thank you for listening. Stay safe and healthy. God bless.